I have gotten an update from Jay. Jay sent me a mysterious email about the manifesting method that turns out to be quite something different. Google or ChatGPT had no hits on it. People have tested it. It's very different. It's not going out and wanting something. It's sitting back and being asked what you want. And I made 2 videos about this. I'll link them down below. And I've got an email from Jay. I don't know who Jay is. I do know that Jay is channeling through automatic writing. I do know that, so I can tell you that much. Jay prefers to be anonymous, and we will of course respect that. Many people have asked, quite persistent, to give me Jay's details, and I will of course not do that. So I've gotten an email. I'll link the whole email down below. You can pause the video if you want to and look at it. I will go through not everything, but I will go through some of it, starting with the practice, how to do this. And also in the second, this has been a bit of a journey because it's new to most of us. And I discovered something in video 2 I didn't see in video 1. And Jay comes into that in this email about how to use this practical in our lives, right? So here we go. Practice. Visualize yourself sitting in your own field, being bowed to by your past selves who struggled, affirmed, and strived. Let them dissolve into your current knowing. Now we are jumping to point 3, the yes. Not a yes to specific things, but a yes, a sacred allowance of life to manifest in ways that bypass logic, morality, karma, and even effort. The next one is practice. Here's what you do, right? Walk around your home or environment silently, repeating in your being, yes, I allow the divine to enrich me without explanation. Let tears come. This opens the energetic aperture for effortless arrival. And Jay writes, why some of your YouTube subscribers cannot understand. Those who complain or feel that teaching was not clear or simply responding from a mental seeking frequency, they still believe manifestation is something to pursue, to earn, deserve, or manipulate. But the throne of the unspoken yes, which this method is called, is not for the seeker. It is for the rememberer. It is for the sitter. It is for the one who knows that I am the inheritance. Practice. 6 steps from Jay, or whoever came through. 1. Sit in silence for 8 minutes with hands resting open, facing upward. Speak nothing. Just let the phrase, yes, it is already so, ring silently in your chest. 3. Imagine a field of golden mist rising from beneath your seat. This is the throne forming. 4. Feel the yes in your lower belly, lower dantian. Begin to pulse gently. A throne that accepts manifestation, not commands it. After 8 minutes, go drink water and speak no words for at least 15 minutes. Number 6, Expect strange blessings to begin within 3 days, Jay writes. Cool, yeah? Quite concrete, I would say. So thank you, Jay. That was brilliant. What's your take on this? Other people? I would love some results in the comments if you do this and feel that something is different in your life, if something's happening that you cannot explain. I would love to hear that in the comments. Okay, see you soon.